Hi, I'm Megan, and I'm a mom of three and lover of good quality products, especially kids' products. So today I'm going to open up this Melissa and Doug stainless steel pots and pans set. I opened this up out of the box and thought it was so cute. I didn't realize that it was actually food safe. And they're also dishwasher safe. So super really fun. And let's unpackage this. All right. What I love about Melissa and Doug is that their toys are usually pretty accurate to what real life is. But I think is really cool because our kids are also in the world, right? And they observe and they watch us and what we do and what we experience. And I think it's really cool that they get to be little people and utilize these things and learn and all of that fun stuff. Okay. So this set is geared for ages 3 and up. I have a 4-year-old, and I know that he would absolutely love playing with this. Now, this set comes with a wooden spoon, a little wooden spatula, super, super cute, perfect for little fingers. Also, very, very realistic. Let's finish getting these pieces off first. Okay. I mean, you can hear it probably clanging together. It's very real. Super, super cute. Be a perfect addition to any little children's little kitchen set. Okay. Oh, this is actually really nice. So we have a pot, cute little lid, fits right on top there. We have a little mini colander, perfect for spaghetti or pasta night in your children's imagination. Very, very cute. We have another double-handled pot of that. Let's see what's on this side. Got a little pan. Okay. Oh, that is so cute. This hangs there. I love this so much. This is so cute and very, very pretty. I'm not gonna lie. I love a good, shiny, new pot or pan. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is really, really cute. Okay. So yeah, and again, it comes with this really nice little stand. Things just hang and stack. What I also really love about Melissa and Doug on their packaging, let me take this back off. Usually on the back or on the bottom of their packaging, they offer countless ways to play and give you ideas on how to utilize the toy. Maybe if you're running out of ideas, kind of getting some fatigue with new ways to utilize the item. You wouldn't think that there would be a multitude of ways to play with these pots and pans. But one of the items that I really liked was hats for bears. And, you can flip them upside down and put them on your little stuffed animals. That's a really cute idea and just unique way to play with these things. Definitely give it a 10 out of 10.